digest, so they're just this massive digestive system.
That's amazing.
Oh, here's one.
It's just kind of like.
Oh my God, that thing's huge.
Here's another one right here.
He's so beautiful. Hey,
Guys, come on up
buddy.
here. See his face
Buddy.
here? Yep. Cool.
They'll usually come right underneath the boat, so.
He's right underneath us.
That's okay. We're all dropping jams. It's okay.
Tell me what you need from me. I'm trying to do a Facebook Live right now, so.
He's right underneath.
Yeah, he's right there. Let's get him to come up again.
He's right in here somewhere.
He's right there.
Yep.
He's right there.
There he is. There's more to the left.
Where is he at?
Right here.
There he is.
Right here.
Wow. There he is. Hey, beautiful. What
Look at
you
that.
doing, buddy? Is he gonna smell me?
Look at that.
Hi. Hi.
I can see the scars on the back.
Yeah, from the boats.
Yeah.
That's so sad.
Poor guy. Yeah. Just barely touched my finger.
Look at that tail. Stick with us. I'm going to keep this live going, guys. So if you want to watch, they're all around. Thank goodness I have a wonderful guide helping me. Ta-da! Hello. But we are going to see these manatees.
Worry about hitting them with a paddle? Oh, golly. Compared to the boat strikes, it's nothing. Oh, yeah. That one that was just here has scars on it. Most of them do.
Here, can you bring us over there? Can you bring us over there?
So anyway, what are the predators? Bobby Sue. They have no predators.
Humans are their predators.
They don't tolerate the temperatures, the cold temperatures, because they have no insulation on them at all. So when the water temperatures, like now, when the water gets below 65, this is their lifeline. They come up into the springs all around Florida, around the power.
The manatee police.
Oh, look, he's rolled over for him. Oh my gosh, how cute was that?
Well, hello.
Hi.
No, they won't let me pet you.
He says, that felt good.
Just one scratch.
Oh, absolutely, right here.
You can, let me see him. Oh, he wants you to pat him though. See,
I don't know
he's
what
so
what river
cute.
temperature is right now.
It was at 68.
Is that what it was? It goes up and down depending on how many cold days we get in a row.
Okay, don't. They said don't. Jerry, he was no.
If
If you're going to do it on this side away from
Well,
them.
we're
So bring
blocking
your
them
bow
anyway.
around if you want to touch them.
don't smash him into them.
And just be subtle about how you.
So cute. You see, oh, I see him.
So I didn't get to count. Did we talk about count?
Count was over 200 today.
Yeah, it should be up around 300 manatees around in the run right now. I'm not sure what the exact count is.
Got a couple over here too.
There they are.
This wind though.
This is our Blue Springs Manatee Tour. We're out here every morning at 9 a.m. You can learn more on our website. But look at them. They're so gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Couple right here. Oh, they've got a couple of them hanging out. They got friends.
He's underneath the boat.
Oh, he's coming up. He's so big. Look at him. There's like two of them right there. Hi. He likes you. Look at him right there. I think you've got a new friend.
Yes. Go out into the rivers and they'll go out to the ocean and the intercoastal.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to see one that doesn't have a slash, unfortunately.
They just spread out, and you never know exactly. You can see them anywhere in Florida. See them in the rivers, you can see them out in intercoastal, and they just go out.
I think he likes you.
Especially in the Gulf.
Oh, no.
And we see them because
He's pushing you now.
Yeah.
He's actually pushing your bow. Yeah.
So the water coming out of the ground here is 72 degrees year-round. They don't tolerate below 65 degrees.
He's so cool.
In the wintertime, this is their lifeline as they go up into the springs all around the state. Around the power plants also, because they
Oh, here's one right here. Hey, buddy.
warm water.
Look at you.
So that's so
There's
this is their
3 of them
lifeline.
right here. 1, 2, 3.
see you later. It was nice knowing you.
So and they will get
Dave,
problems if they're in cold water a long time.
I think he's coming to say hi.
So let me say another thing is that there's Manatee Rescue. They have a canoe and they go up and down here every day and count the manatees around the fire. And
Are
they
you?
also inspect them to see if there's any of them are having any problems, any cold issues or been hit. There is one up there that they watch real close. It's got a new scar on its back. So they monitor what's going on with
Right
it.
here. No, this is Paddling Center
SeaWorld will come out
at Shingle Creek. This is our tour. We come out here.
Take them out to SeaWorld and try to
Look at him. Hi. Hi. Oh, he is. Oh. Oh. I just touched a manatee. I didn't touch him.
You're not even like in saltwater areas. You're not supposed to give them fresh water because they'll come up and actually drink the water. So yeah, they don't want to.
Hi. Oh my goodness, he's right there.
That's why
Hi, buddy.
speed all through here.
Hey, buddy.
They're hanging around here so much.
You gonna come up and say hi? Hi. Oh, I felt that breath all the way over here. I felt his air. I literally felt his air on my hand.
Sound pitch of the motors
Right.
and the boats, they don't hear that.
Right?
They hear high pitched stuff, but they don't hear the low pitch of the motors.
Oh, here comes another buddy right there. Hi.
Yep.
Hi.
Awesome.
How are you?
You play big day? That's awesome. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, you're so adorable. Oh, there's 2 of them right here. There's 2 of them. Oh my gosh. I touched manatee.
This one's turned into a puppy dog.
Oh, hi. Look at you. You are just the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere.
Yeah, we got 3 of them right here.
They're as big as the boat.
This is probably more than
It's because the sun's out, and we haven't had sun in a few days, so they're like, uh-huh.
Yeah, so usually they become more active in the morning too. Because this is kind of the routine of going out and feeding. They're feeding the rivers. So nothing left for them to eat in the.
Look at
in the
those
run.
scars. That's so sad.
So they come
4
out
nice
and feed
scars
during the
right
day,
on
and
his
then
back
they'll go
right
back
there.
in.
We're talking about what kind of grass?
But then look at that
Whatever
massive
grows on the
tail.
bottom, but they also eat hyacinth stuff that's floating. I'll show you as we go. When we go up the creek, I'll show you some big masses of floating.
Sorry
areas.
for the shakiness, guys. I'm trying to be in a kayak and
Yeah, there's a possibility of seeing them when we go up the creek.
I think he likes you.
Would you stop?
He's worse than
That's okay. We all are.
We'll all be in jail tomorrow, and he'll be gone. Still wanting to paddle.
He likes his belly.
He flipped on it. I'm about to say, he's up, there's 2 of them here. One of them's upside down.
Look at him. I wish you could
They're
really
all
see
upside
it.
down.
Now this one was saying, please scratch my belly.
That's my belly. Beautiful animal.
Hey, cool.
Yes, beyond cool. Beyond cool.
Look at them. They're so adorable.
So the park and the Manatee people count how many are. The Manatee people actually identify them as much as they can, and they identify them by all the marks on their back on the prop marks. They have drawings of each one showing the marks. So they not only identify them, but they name them. And you can go on to say the Manatee thing, and they talk about them. You know, well, this one's in Blue Springs today, and there's a new pup. There's been probably 5 or 6 births here this winter already. So their gestation period is a year. So because they conjugate, this is one of the places we're at the main, and next year there's pups born. So
Let's go find her.
go back to Maryland. Male nurses them for about a year. And then
Not with the paddle at all. No paddles. Do not touch them with the paddle.
from a year from that point to 2 years down the road. And if you see a big wad of them rolling around together,
You're going to be in timeout when you're.
I know, I'm getting yelled at. But
You're going into timeout. That's all there is to it.
how cool is this guy? He wants to go home. That's all good. Well, yeah, Maryland. He's got a good nick in him, doesn't he?
almost all of them.
Not only will he not fit in the car, he probably weighs as much as the car.
Absolutely.
You'll
I
have
think some of them get 3,500 pounds.
Really?
Oh yeah. So generally the adults are 10 feet long, anyway from 800
Look at this
to
guy
1,200
rolling
pounds,
over.
But they can get as big as 3,500 pounds.
He is just
3,500 pounds is like your car. And I've seen them.
Look at this.
I've seen them
Look
that
at
big.
this.
It's
Oh
like
my
2 times
gosh.
the width of my
Just a
kayak.
big puppy dog.
They're huge.
Scratch my belly.
You know his name?
Uh,
Roland.
So let's not.
Roll.
We're getting close to the docks,
cool.
Yeah.
guys.
Yep.
We're getting close to the docks over here. Let's not make it real obvious what we're doing.
You hear that? You hear that? Let's try not make it too obvious.
Tell that to Roland.
He's like, I was going on a boat with you guys.
We I think he thinks you're a big hyacinth with that green boat.
That may be closer to the truth than you think.
I know, right? Oh my gosh, he goes,
What do you?
I'm moving on. Someone else.
Someone else. She stopped. Maybe something else.
Look at that. Incredible. Oh, yeah.
He's adorable.
Because I'm so much in
Look
view.
at him. He's actually pushing us now. We are moving via Manatee power. We are moving via Manatee power.
He disappeared.
Where'd he go?
Went under and I lost him. Because I didn't have him. That.
She's like, I'm done with you.
I could just sit here all day.
That's awesome.
There he is. There's one.
So, has everybody had a good viewing?
Has
now?
everybody had a good scratch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't scratch back though. He went a little
Oh,
surprised.
we had that one that went under the boat and like
Can't
Right.
have
tried to
everything.
back up in the bottom of the boat.
Hopefully I got a shot of something.
All right, we're going to take a break from this so I can get some pictures, but pretty cool out here at Blue Springs. Manatee tour. They're very lively today. They're going to be like this for the next week with our forecast, so come on and join us. Get online, register. We have on our website, paddlingcenter.com. You can register online to join us. Go ahead and reserve your space on one of our kayaks. We keep our tours small. There's some groups out here with 20 boats. We max out at 12 boats. We will never do more than that. Beautiful day at Blue Springs. See y'all soon.